The book calls this area of combined polygons. For you farmers out there, if you want to call it combined polygons, I don't care. You say combined, I say combined. That doesn't really matter there. And here's the gist of what that is. Write down this for example. You've got this shape right here. And its dimensions are 10, 12, 6, and 8. 12, 6, 8. Dimensions are not to scale. Not my best line. I thought we've talked about this before. I know we have anyways. The basic gist of this, children, is we don't have a set formula that tells you how to find the area of a shape that looks like that, because first of all, what type of shape is that? We don't even have a name for that. Actually, it is a 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a pentagon, a warped pentagon here. But you have to do like we've done before. In order to do this, you really need to divide and conquer. Sorry. Which means this. You need to cut this into two shapes that you can find areas of. I can find the area of this rectangle, and then I need to add it to the area of this triangle. You just have to make sure that you are using the right dimensions for each. Okay, we've got the area of a rectangle, and to that I'm adding the area of the triangle. And it's probably best if you actually jot this down so that you keep yourself straight. Because what I see happen a lot is somebody will find the area of the rectangle and then forget about the triangle, and then they'll write that down and it'll be wrong. We'll do the triangle, forget about the rectangle. What's the formula for the area of a rectangle? It is length times width. What's the formula for the area of a triangle?
1/2 base.
Very good. You got that 1/2 base times height thing happening for us. Doing the easy one first, the rectangle. What is the length and the width of the rectangle? And here's where you have to be very careful, because you see, everybody sees this 10 over here, and they think that that's the width of the rectangle, and it's not. 10 goes all the way to the top. You are stopping here for the rectangle, so you have to use this 6. So the area equals 6 times 12, and that is what? 72. Okay. Now, how do I find the area of that triangle? What's the key things you're looking for in a triangle to find the area? The base and the height. What do I know the base and the height, Ava Wyrick, have to be?
It has to be, the base has to be 4 because you subtract 8 from 12, and then the height has to be 4 because I subtracted.
Well, I was looking for you to help me out in this category here. In this triangle here, I have to look for the two lines that form the right angle, and Ava gave that to us, which means I need the length from here to here, and I need this distance from here to here. And though you have to do a little bit of work there because I'm not given that, but I know that that piece with that piece has to equal 12, so this has to be 4. That's where Ava got that 4 from. And I know that this piece plus this piece has to equal 10. It's 6 from here to here, so 6 plus what number is 10? That's 4. And then so my triangle is 1/2 of 4 times 4. And what is half of 16? 8. So this is 72. This was 8. Adding them together, I get 80 feet squared. And it seems to me we've done that. Have we not done that?
Yeah.
We have.
How did you, didn't we already set or something?
It seems like it.
Nick
What's that?
says, I don't know, we get stuff plus 8.
That's the triangle. 72 is the rectangle. Area of the triangle is 8. 72 plus 8. You just don't know where I got the area of 8. 1/2 of 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, half of that is 8.
Oh, okay.
Area of the triangle. Cut,
There's the restroom.
please. Okay, now we have to do one more because I'm not sure why this fits in this category here. I don't even know if it's. Write this exact figure down, because this will give you mucho headache. A figure, a shape inside a shape here.
Is this still under area?
Yep.
Oh, we did this.
I don't know why, though. They don't give me a different topic for this. Actually, perimeter and area, there it is. It is find the perimeter and the area. EB, CD, and then write this down. AD is 40 centimeters. DC is 30 centimeters. Rock on. B is the midpoint of AC. Got ourselves a little geometry going on here. E is the midpoint of AD. And find the perimeter and area of BCDE. Find perimeter and area of BCDE. Love it. I don't know how in the world anyone would do this without writing this down on their paper. Let's start with, what are they asking me to find? Ashley?
The area and perimeter of the other shape of the
Of what shape? What shape am I looking to find the area and perimeter of? What is shape B? What is shape BCDE? Charlie? That's not a rectangle. Rectangles have 4 right angles. What is that actual shape there? Alec? It's, well, it is a quadrilateral, it's a trapezoid.
Oh, it was.
They're asking you to find the area and the perimeter of this right here. I need to find the distance around and the area of it. Okay? Now how am I going to do that? Well, let's take apart right now what we know for sure. We know AD is 40 centimeters. So from here to here, let's just write this down. Here to here is 40 centimeters, right? I know that DC is 30 centimeters. And that's all I know. Oh, I do know that B is the middle of AC. Okay, if I know that, what do I know then? I know that this piece equals this piece. I didn't draw it, right? E is the midpoint of AD. So I do know this. If this is the middle of AD, what is this and what is this? If it's 40 all the way and it's in the middle, it cuts it in half, it is, thank you very much, 20 and 20. Well now, somebody throw me a suggestion here. This, by the way, is geometry kind of stuff. If you're raising your hand right now and you actually have some good input, you'll probably do well in geometry. If you look at that and go, I have no idea I'm going to find that. You will be good. You're just not good right now. Okay, what do I need to know now?
AC is 50 centimeters.
Oh boy. How in the wide world of sports do you know that? Alright, first things first, it's a right triangle and that should always make you think Pythagorean triple. you know that the two legs are 40 or 30 and 40. Okay, and there's no 30, 40 up there, but
3 and 4.
you divide them both by 10, it's a 3, 4, 5. So yes, this is 50, and you do need to know that. And if that's 50 and we cut 50 in half, each one of these, this is 25 and this is 25. Interestingly enough. Now to find the perimeter though, I know these, I know this, this, and this. I know 20, I know 30, I know 25. How in the world can I find that side though? I'm missing the one side to find the perimeter. Ava?
You have to do the Pythagorean triples again with 20 and 25.
Oh. Is there 20, 25 up there?
That high.
5 and 5.
Oh, cut them both by 5. This is a 4, that's a 5, so this has to be, but you have to remultiply it by 5, so it's
15.
15. Oh, look,
So smart.
I can get my, there's my perimeter. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My perimeter is 90 centimeters. It's halfway there. Kendall?
How did you get 15?
Well, let's look at the triangle I was looking at. I'm gonna redraw the small triangle right here. We knew this side was 20, right? We knew this side was 25, and I was looking for this side here. That's the one I said was 15. I don't know what it is, but it's a right triangle, so I look for a Pythagorean triple. There is no 25, 20, but what number can you divide both of these by? If I divide 25 by 5, I end up with a 5, and if I divide 20 by 5, I end up with a 4. Is there a 4 something 5 triangle? 3, 4, 5.
Why is it 20?
What?
Why isn't it 20?
Why is it 120?
The other side, because it's 4 times 5 is 20.
I already have the 20. I already have the 4. I have the 4 and the 5 from the triple. Which one am I missing? I'm missing the 3. So this side is 3, but you have to remultiply it by 5. That's where the 15 comes from. Now, back to the area. I've done half of it. How do I find the area of that? Well, we do have a formula for the area of a trapezoid, but I don't think I've given it to you. You don't need that formula. How would you find the area of this piece here? Ashley?
So you have to divide the concrete. There's a triangle in it, and you can also, right where it goes on the right.
Oh, you're saying do
Yeah.
this?
Do a triangle like that. And then you can multiply,
But the problem I have with that, oh yeah, no, okay, sure, let's do that. I don't have a problem. I thought I had a problem, but I was wrong. What is the area of this rectangle right here? 20 times 15 is? Anybody?
250.
Something.
300.
300.
This is 300, and then I just have to add the area of this triangle, which is 20 by
300.
20 by 15 cut in half. The triangle means it is 150. So my two pieces are 300 plus 150, and I end up with 450, whatever this was, inches something squared. Squared. That's a pretty tough problem there. If you don't get it, don't worry about it. Another way you could have done it, by the way, is what? You could have found the area of the great big triangle, which would have been 40 times 30 cut in half, and subtracted the area of the small triangle, because then you're just left with that piece there, which is 20 times, what was that, 15, 300, half of 300 is, subtract them, you get,
It's much easier. Which one?
Is that what you wait? You know, it has to be. Wait, how do we get?
don't worry about it. Your assignment. Getting is,
Where
problems 7 through 11 on set 37. 7 through 11, 37. And I'm sure you'll do it to the best of your ability since there's only 5 problems there.
Yeah, sure.
Which means nice drawings, using the line, trying to appease the teacher. And again, if you want extra credit, mastering integers, IXL.
IXL.
Right in my hand. Wait, what's it called?
I got it.
Charlie. Oh, praying. Who's our praying leaders? Kevin,
Dear God, thank you for today, and we sent us to have the lunch, and we just managed to go on.
Isn't it? Is that everybody contracted? I might be getting two awesome pairs of socks today. We can find one on sale. I'm getting a second awesome pair.
did you tell me it was there somewhere?
It's on that student.
About Tuesday. And then under highway stuff, and it is, your name is, okay, and the title of it is, and stuff, and we like a pretty good color. Black and white. Why are there so many traders standing in my room?
I want to ask first, just someone can tell me in this room, and I'll ask for the attention if I can go to my report. Or not report, English
Essay.
story, English essay. So,
Wait, if during lunch?
Session.
Did you get it?
No, I have homework.
He's asking me?
No, he's not even in there.
You're killing me, Price, you're killing me. And Sage is just waiting for you, I get it now. Guilty by association.
I'll be sitting at my own table waiting for you.
Finish your marker, for detention, for homework, and we go to be lab. No, the first thing you do is, check to see if one's clean within that, because I don't know if they.
I'll go look. Yeah. Okay. We take off the rubber band.
What? Okay, go. Okay, close around.
Where do I sit? Oh yeah.
Wait, did we change? Let's choose this card.
That guy. Whoever he is.
That card.
Oh gosh. I'm so scared.
Oh, wait, I did flip them into this. So.
Somebody got 4, yeah, I've got 4. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
No, I picked the wrong one. I was one card off. I was just flipping cards. I was guessing. I don't know how many cards we're using here. So I was just like this, and then I was flipping.
Oh, you got a world champion. That's not fair.
And then I thought it was like
I
this.
should you not. You got dark, you cheater.
No, I didn't.
Ditto, dark eye.
Peeker.
Well, yeah, I let you see my cards. You still have to get
No,
more.
I didn't.
Yeah.
Here,
I just want to see who you.
this one. No, it's not a bench. No, it's this one. Which one? No.
You know what? You know.
Yeah, I knew that it was Vaporeon.
You know.
I kind of do know. Probably somewhere in the leaf type, right?
I'm not telling you.
Well, I'm obviously in the leaf type now. I mean, look. Why I was in silver and dragon. Okay.
Come on.
Okay, it's just a oh, come on. Diana, really? Oh, okay.
Well, you should see my cards. I'm 40, 50, 70, 90.
Wow, you're looking.
I know.
Fine, I'll choose these.
Dude, I did random selection. You didn't. You knew where Dark Eye was.
I did know.
You knew where Dark Eye was. So that's really not fair to my advantage since I don't really know my deck that well.
I do. And I only have for 2 weeks. Okay.
I have one more than you. You just said that.
Trolling.
I don't have any trolling cards. Yeah, sure, Troy. Never mind, I have a trolling card. This card sucks. Oh,
What the heck, Gary?
Hi, people. Oh, we can't play.
Oh, it's you, just you freedom.
Okay. Okay, this guy out. Let's just get my camera.
I'm 17. Bumblebee.
Oh wait, Arrow, we did dual lessons.
No. That's not what Call for Family is.
It says get a basic.
No, it's not.
Everybody quiet. It says get a basic. Oh. 10 plus 20. Plus. I don't know. No, I said. So, I just need heads moved in. Guys. Guys, we have a joke for you. We're just like 2 heads.
Oh my gosh,
Guys, what's in proposition for you and introduce you more what the smart recess.
And I don't know why.
Yeah,
It's more peaceful. It's more peaceful. I hate my seating arrangement. No, guys, we don't need clippers. No, Eli, turn your phone off. No, we don't need clippers. It's peaceful. I saw this pencil when I was and it had it's so bad. Look at this little pencil that I have in my brain. Dude, I'm afraid of home.
Sorry, I forgot we couldn't talk.
We don't just rain our lives.
Dude, but I got Peter.
That's correct. Change that right now. Oh, what did we do?
We just took our lunch class at
35.
Coach did go. Yes, Christine, thank you. I got it. Well, we're gonna see, probably. We'll probably jump right ahead to number 36. Right, Sammy? We can't really afford to lose too many days.
I only did
Let me see what 36 says. Oh, right. Yeah, 36 is too easy to not.
So we're doing 36.
Huh?
We're doing 36.
You know, it's gonna be a surprise, Spaniel, when I get there.
Oh
That's the chance you take when you go ahead.
no! I'm flabbergasted.
And heaven forbid, what happens when Luke gets flabbergasted? Even the thought of the flabbergasted gas. Forget it. Take out your notes, put it under fractions. I promise this won't take too terribly long. Because we already did decimals.